fold a new split eighth. I'm trying to see the world all shrimps. Not dancing just to get the school, but doing your best. She look at me like Scotty, man, that ass on my chest. 44, if I see the way they said I need to test. Hate it most when you be out, I swear it's cool when you do less. Don't sweat it. She give me right tonight, she can be my medic. Yeah, like CPR. She hop up like I'm Bunny, just a CPR. I give a different type of press when we be NPR. The type that make you hear a play up on the DVR. I swear, keep a couple things prescribed in case we CDR. Things I can show you in the day you think we in VR. You do think we get this far. I took the octane out the whip and had to push the car. Headed straight to yeah. She been it out and post me. She been it out. Yeah. She been it out and post me. Got my head spinning. No one still spilling. I'm so authentic. You know you get it. Okay, I'm going out. I hope to see you down here. Got me here fantasizing. I'm trying to see that pain line. I wonder how it feels inside, 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 inside. Oh, you been mad at me. I ain't tripping, girl. It's all love. Got me stressing when I see you in the club, drinking 42 like it's none. I've been watching you, and I can't take no more. I'ma give you what your body's been waiting for. So if you wanna get sex, turn around. I'll let you throw that ass up and down. Come on, girl, I know I wanna see you naked. Yeah, you know, I just can't take.
Alright, guys. So today is 25th of February 2026. Right now the time is 11:48 a.m. Yeah, we're about to get into. I think we're in New York session right now, London session. Right now, I don't know why it's not showing on my indicators, or I have it wrong or something, because I'm not seeing it yet. But oh yeah, okay, I see it. We're inside London session. Alright, so there's a trade I took yesterday, so let me break it down. It was this trade right here. So gold just broke a key level. I think, yeah, coming into this week, it broke a key level. You can see that it made an indication. So I was looking for price. Yesterday I was saying that I was waiting for price to come all the way back down. Oh my god, where are my tools, man? What the hell? Yeah, I was waiting for price to come all the way down here and then to buy. That's still a probability according to what I'm looking at right now in the 4-hour time frame, because it did break this low, close below it, made a correction back inside it, and right now I can see that there's like a bearish candle being formed. So yeah, that is still a possibility. It's still a possibility until price breaks above this spot right here. It either breaks this place, or it's gonna be invalid if it just makes a high low, and then continues above. So this is a probability, but it's still gotta go lower a bit, I think. So I'm just keeping an eye on it. But going back to yesterday, what happened yesterday was, So I was just chilling. Then there's this I've been studying liquidity a lot this past couple of days. I'm trying to figure out what liquidity is, and the market moves on liquidity. Like it's like it kind of alters the market. So some of the best traders that I've watched, some of the profitable traders, they use liquidity, and when they spot it, they get in almost immediately when it happens. So this time I try to catch it, and this so looking at the 1 hour time frame here, I saw price coming all the way down here and I marked out this low. So I was like, okay, if price does not break this low, that's gonna be liquidity sweep because it's just gonna put a wick below it and then continue going up, right? So I merged it with this other concept. So when I turn on the sessions, I can see that this was Asia session high, London session, New York session. Right now we just got off Asia session. So normally, according to what I just learned, is when price breaks below Asia session lows, like this, when price breaks below it, normally it's like a liquidity sweep. It's like it sweeps Asia session lows and then looks to buy. And when in vice versa, when the trend is when the trend, okay, so this happens when the trend is bullish and Asia session low gets broken. That's a good indication to show us that price is really looking to buy. So we always buy and then target the Asia session highs. Alright, so at this part, when I figured that out, when I heard that, I was like, okay, let me try and put that into a test or something, to see if it really works. So gold has been bullish. Gold is bullish right now, and I can see that this was the Asia session low, and there was this other Asia session low that was never mitigated, was never touched. So when I saw price coming down like this, I was like, okay, this is good. So it broke the Asia session low, and now I was like, okay, that's a sign. I need to look for buys. But where are you supposed to look for buys? You're supposed to look for buys from the areas of interest. Yo, what's up, Luno? It's good, bro. So it's like what you need to ask yourself is, where should I be getting at my entries from? So you can't just buy in a consolidation. You need to buy from discount and premium levels or support and resistance level. So this is a support level, this is a support level. So when price broke past this, I was like, okay, where is it going? It's going to the next support level. So it came back down to this support level, and I was like, oh shoot, I might have missed my entry. But when I looked into when this happened, when it closed below it, I was like, okay, this might still be good because that's still liquidity, because this candle was moving so fast. This one candle broke everything, so it was moving so fast. So I was like, okay, I still need to try and look for buys, because keep in mind, gold is still bullish. So when I went to the 15-minute time frame, I saw it. That's when I was like, okay, I saw price making after it closed below, and this was London session, I saw price making, and the best thing that happened, it closed below the break of structure, on the 4-hour time frame. So it was giving me like, I was like, oh, I should get ready, man, because a pullback is about to happen. So when this happened, and when I put my buy stop order above this candle that broke liquidity, that broke the lows, the last candle. So I was like, okay, when this candle closes, I'm gonna get in on a buy, because I saw strong bullish displacement candles. In real sense, this is not the right way to get in, but I was like, nah, if I just need to get in early. So it's kind of risky, but it works sometimes. Not all the time, it works sometimes, because I could have easily get stopped out, because maybe it would have been really on a downtrend and just this kind of would have gone up and then boom, because it really did not mitigate the lower high. It's only safe when price goes and breaks or closes above this level, according to the 15-minute time frame, because that would be a valid structure shift. So when I turn the sessions off, you can see that there's this low, no, there's this higher high over here that got broken, then a correction happened, and then the continuation happened. So that's what I should be waiting for. I should be waiting for price to go all the way up here, break it, close above it. Then on the correction, that's when I go to the 1 minute time frame or the 5 minute time frame and wait for structure shift. So I could have probably gotten in somewhere here. Yeah, and this would have tried to test my gangster. It could have been tempting me to get out, but my stop loss will be all the way down here. But that's a huge risk to reward. So what I did was I just trusted that since this was like the liquidity candle, price was not gonna go below the liquidity candle. If this is really my setup, if this is what I'm really basing it on, price was not gonna go below this candle. So that's why I put my buy order above this candle here. And I'm like, if it goes below it, then I'm wrong, because it already broke the lows. It already swept the lows, and it went already, and it already went and broke the break of structure. So like, okay, it needs to go up because it broke the Asia session low, and that's one confirmation to show me the price is trying to buy up, and it went and swept this other low too. So I was like, okay, I was kind of confident the price is gonna go up. So as you can see that it did, and when this candle sweep this liquidity, that's where I put my entry, and this is where I put my stop loss, because I was like, if this candle decides to just keep going down, I don't want to be in that trade anymore. And if it goes above this line, then I'm good. then I'm good. So I can see that it did this. It went up, it bought up. So when it did, you can look on the 5 minute time frame. This is good because this was the lower high before the low. So me putting my entry here was good, because you can see the price came up, broke it. That's a structure shift. That's showing me that price is trying to go back up. So getting in here was the right choice. It was a good position to be, because it went up, made this correction, and then started going crazy. Right? It went crazy. And you can see that there's a little fair value gap that was made here. Price came, filled it, half of it. Then most of the people get in here. Most of the smart, like the profitable traders, they get in when this fair value gap has been filled. This is where they put their entries, because price is looking to go high. It's trying to buy. So this is where like they put the entries, but still it's invalid because it has not broken this high. So that's why like I just put my buy stop here, so that when price comes and breaks it, hopefully closes above it, that's gonna be I'll be like, okay, price is back bullish, because it's just gonna make a correction and then a continuation. Normally I'm supposed to wait for a correction and then I go to the 1 minute time frame and wait for a lower time frame shift. That's when I take it from there. But sometimes it does not do that, so it's still a gamble. So to be conservative, I need to wait for the structure shift on the lower time frame. Or I could just do this. So because this is still an indication the price is trying to go up. So yeah, so I did that, and I went to the 15 minute time frame, targeted a risk of 1 to 2. Yeah, 1 to 2. Yeah, you can see that it went out, it played out beautifully. It took some time, but it did. So if I had put in $20, I would have come out with $40. Or if I put $50, I would have come out with $100. But I want to be repeating that concept, because I can see that it's based on a lot of things. It has a lot of support, and yeah. So when price is bullish, I need to wait for bearish liquidity sweep on Asia session. So like right now, I can't really get in a trade because my trade went on until Asia session. That's when it completed. So I can get out right now, and when I'm trying to find a new entry, I need to wait, since price right now is kind of bullish, but on the 4-hour time frame, I'm still thinking price is gonna be bearish, because like I said, like the support level, the 4-hour support level was broken. This was an indication, this is a correction. So unless it just comes and closes below this, if this bearish candle closes below this is gonna be a sell. It's gonna go lower. But if it just makes this, it can just make a lower high and then continue making a higher high that's gonna come and break this and just keep going. So it's two probabilities I'm waiting to see, and I'm gonna keep an eye on it because this right now is like an area of interest now because there's a lot of buy stops over. There's a lot of liquidity over below here, and there's a lot of liquidity here. So price needs to go either way. So I'm just gonna keep an eye on that. Yeah, so I'm just gonna be looking at gold for this whole week because that's the one I understand most. But I'm gonna be looking at these ones too because I'm expecting. You see, GBP/JPY just broke structure. It made an indication and it's still tanking, it's still going crazy, even on the 4-hour time frame. You know, that's crazy because that's just crazy to me. So it's doing the same thing gold did, but it's a lot of buying pressure. The buyers are strong as hell. So I can't really get in a trade right now based on how I'm trading because yes, it's bullish, but it has not broken the Asia session lows. So for me to buy, I need to wait for price to break a Asia session low so that I can look for buys. The blondes. Yeah, bro. We locked in, bro. The boys locked in. So yeah, man. Everything else is looking crazy. I don't even understand what's going on. Right now it's just too much going on for me in the forex like markets. I don't even understand what's really going on. I need to sit down and analyze it because it's a lot of noise, man. It's like I need to analyze it on the daily time frame and even look out the daily time frame is looking like crazy. So yeah, I still need to learn how to trade the forex markets because it's too crazy by now. Hey, just look at this. And this is the daily time frame. Imagine what's going on in the 15-minute time frame. So yeah, I'm just gonna stick to gold for now. Yeah. Well, let's talk up, man. I need to get some money to get into the markets, man. We're missing out on a lot of. I just seen Sai made $11 million right now. He's up $11 million in gold. Crazy. So yeah. That's it for today. That's my analysis for today. If I get a trade, I'll post it on my Telegram, and I'll update you guys on my Instagram, the right wrong trades. Bro, what do you mean, bro? What do you mean? Where am I supposed to be, bro? What are you even talking about, bro? Yeah, man, 11 amps, bro, 11 amps, man. And he hasn't even, like, he's still holding. That guy is expecting price to go all the way up here. So he's expecting price to go all the way up here. And right now we are here. Let me take this off. So right now we are here. He got in he got in somewhere here. This way he got in. So this made him, this right here made him 11 million. So you can look, this like double this. So that's gonna be like, whoa, 33 M's. If he holds and price goes and breaks this. But I'm still thinking price is gonna sell. So I think he might get out. Or he's gonna kwa kichwangumu, Jaman is a kazamba, so he might hold it. He might still hold it because he believes price will still not, because the stop loss is somewhere down here. Yeah, there's too many changes happening in the lower time frames. So it's so volatile and it has a lot of fake outs, it has a lot of noise. That's why we always use the higher time frames to mark out our levels and to see what's really going on before we dig in deeper into the lower time frame, because we use the lower time frames to look for entries. And I check it. So that's why trading the forex market is weird, because it's a lot of noise. It's a lot of noise because if you look at the daily time frame is peaceful and it still looks noisy. It still looks worse than gold. Just look at this, bro. But you can really see what's the structure of the market. Now imagine going into the 5-minute time frame. Bro, just look at this. It's a lot of bullshit, man. Wow. How even like Yeah, like you really need to sit down and really like analyze everything. It's crazy. And all this could just be like a simple pullback on the 1 hour time frame. It's so insane. And imagine you need to get your entries from the 5 minute, 1 minute, or 15 minute time frame, so that you can like capitalize on your profits. Good. Hey, but I need to sit down on the forex. I used to make money on the forex market when I was starting trading, like, but it just doesn't move, man, bro. You can be sitting here for like 3 days, just waiting to make $2. So you need like a high lot size, and you need to be patient. And those are some things that I don't really have right now. I don't have that much patience. I'm patient, but I'm not that patient. Yeah. So that's why gold and Bitcoin or not and Nasdaq are just not even Nasdaq has been weird. Look at it. But gold and Bitcoin have just been fun to trade. They're fun to trade because they move. It's fun trading a market that moves. I don't want to sit here, but there was a day I even slept, but and I made like $2, but from this GBP shit. And people make millions from GBP to GBP JPY. Yeah, so it just needs patience, and that I don't have right now. But I'll need to lock in. Because right now it's buying crazy, so I'm expecting a sell. Yeah, man. Yeah. So that's my analysis for this week, man. I'm gonna keep y'all updated on Telegram and Instagram. Then I'll be back here tomorrow. Man. Peace.